Hi, this is Bertina and welcome to Inner Bliss. We are going to do a drawing meditation today. So if you want to take just a moment to grab some paper, pencil, paint, markers, crayons, anything you wish, and join me back. You may either be on your mat, on your bed, or at a desk while you're doing this meditation. Many times people think about meditation as just being in a seated position and not thinking. And that's true. Mindfulness meditation is a type of meditation, but there's lots of meditations. So today I decided to do a color your favorite place meditation. Whenever we think about our favorite places, it brings beautiful emotions into our body. It makes our body happy. It allows our body to de-stress, our mind to relax. Thus does everything that the other meditations do as well. So what I want you to do is to find a comfortable place. Let's begin to ground into the earth, making sure our sits bones or our root chakras are in alignment. Let's take in a deep breath and allow ourselves to pull our energy into the center of our chest. Just all the energy that's outside of us, pull it into the center of our chest with each breath in. And as we exhale, release any of the stress that is inside of us to make room for the positive energy. So what I want you to do as you begin to sit in silence is to bring to mind something that makes you happy. It's very quickly the first thing that comes to your mind. I want you to see it in your mind's eye. I want you to be able to feel it within your heart. I want you to sit for a moment and experience it. And then when you're ready, I want you to begin to draw the first thing you saw. Take your time, noticing any detail that makes you feel happy, any detail that comes to mind. Now what I want you to do is to stop just for a moment and examine the drawing. What emotions does this invoke in you? What thoughts? Was this first thought something that you may have possibly experienced at a place that makes you happy? Maybe a summer vacation, a family member's home, a outside. Now what I want you to do for the next 3 minutes is to draw where the item that made you happy takes place. Draw the setting and feel the emotion as you are drawing it. Taking time with each stroke of the drawing or the painting, feeling the emotion that comes through as you are drawing, the happy memories, noticing the colors that you're using, the place that this occurs. Continue drawing. Now what I would like for you to do next is to draw yourself in this happy place, interacting with the first thing that you drew, placing yourself in the area where you are the most happiest. What are you doing? What are you wearing? How do you feel? Now what I would like for you to do is to go ahead and continue finishing the areas on your paper. Add more detail. And then when you are finished, I would like for you to journal about your experience. Did it allow you to realize a happy place that you weren't familiar with? Or did it bring about a happy place that you think about often? What was the first thing that you saw that made you happy? Was this unusual, unexpected, or is it what you expected? And then continue the time in your meditation to finish the drawing and any thoughts that you may have.